You guys, I'm back again with this hairstyle. It's been 2 weeks now. Yesterday was exactly 2 weeks. This is what the braids are looking like. But today's Valentine's Day and I'm going out with some friends later tonight. We're gonna get all into that. I feel like this part of my hair, I did a wash and go last week. It's looking a little dry. She's looking a little dry. So I wanna wash just the back and do another wash and go. This brand, Watch and See, they sent me all these products. I showed y'all the products they sent me in the last video, and I really liked the gel, so I'm gonna use all of their products to like do another wash and go. We're gonna start with a shampoo. I just wanna get like in the sink and rinse out this part of my hair. To be honest, I'm like, I don't want to show that part on camera. So I'm gonna just wash out, shampoo this part of my hair, apply conditioner. I'm taking you through it right now. Condition and wash it out. And then I'll come back and then really style it because I want the curls to pop for later. I feel like it looks good, but it looks a little dry. It's nice, it's soft, but the curls could pop better. I just want it to be fresh. I don't got no lover girl motion today, but my friend is in town and we're gonna go out and we're gonna have a good time and whatnot. So yeah, it's kind of crazy that I'm so single. Like, where is my emotion? But it's okay because I'm not ending the year single. I don't know where my man is at, but I'm not ending this year single. I'm gonna be with my man at the end of this year. Also, y'all, before I go, I literally woke up from bed. I have not washed my face. My face is glowing from last night. And it probably sounds hard to believe because I FaceTimed my friend and she was like, have you washed your face yet today? I said, no. She said, why are you still glowing? That's when I know I got the glowing thing down. But today we're focusing on the hair, so let's focus on the hair. They have this like iridescent thing going on in their shampoo. Y'all see? It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hair. I'll be back. I just washed the hair. I just shampooed the hair. One thing about it, the hair was dirty. Like I could see all the product build up as I was washing it and my scalp feels so much better. I wasn't planning on getting the braids wet, but the braids got wet anyway. I started putting conditioner in while I was washing the hair. This is the Watch and See pre and post poo conditioner. Okay, but we're gonna put a little bit more and we're gonna like just detangle the curls. Honestly, I love when a product just melts in your scalp, like in your hair. And this conditioner literally just melted in my hair. I applied it and my hair feels so soft already. So I'm just gonna finger detangle all around. They also sent me these clips, which are so clutch. So I'm gonna use a few of them. And they're pink. We love a pink moment. We're just gonna put this part up. And then we're gonna finger detangle the back. Realizing more and more that the back of my hair is like low-key the easiest to manage. And I think I even saw somebody post something about that, maybe because it has, it's always tucked away, it's not exposed to sunlight and everything else. But yeah, the back of my hair is so easy to manage, easy to detangle. You see how my fingers are gliding through. This is with the conditioner. And I'm not gonna like leave the conditioner in for too long. I'm gonna end up just washing it out right after I detangle, because this is not one of them we get to spend hours on a wash day. Like I got things to do. Like I told y'all, it's Valentine's Day. I may not have a Valentine, but I don't want to spend all day doing my hair, you know what I mean? I love this conditioner. It's literally just glided in my hair, like, wow. Wow. I'm so glad I did this.
Some studios require if you're past a certain amount of weeks pregnant, a doctor's note.
That room for extra growth and all of that. But I'm sure you did amazing.
Thanks, girl.
It's been about 30 minutes since I put the conditioner in my hair. I didn't even put a cap on it. I just kind of was cleaning my house and organizing for the past 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. The curls are already really, really popping. Y'all see this? Look at this. Curls are so popping. So I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna rinse this out. Okay, actually, before we get to the styling, I wanna make sure that the products that I'm using do not flake. together. So I'm gonna be using this leave-in conditioner from Watch and See, and then this is their like Castor Curls Poppin' Jelly. This is the gel, and I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner here. I'll activate it with just a little bit of water, and then now I've got a little bit of the gel, and I'm gonna put that right here just to see if it's gonna flake. Like if it starts clumping together, then it's going to flake in my hair. But you see this? It's not clumping. It's quite smooth. It's quite silky. So I think I'm good to use these two products for my wash and go, which is so exciting. Nothing irks me like when the products begin to flake or clump together. If you put two products on the back of your hands and they begin to clump, girl, you are about to have the flakes, the snowflakes falling down your shirt, falling down your outfit, just making you just fucking up your vibe. So let's go rinse this. I'm gonna go ahead and just like go in the bathtub like this and rinse this out, and then I'm gonna apply this directly while the hair is soaking wet. Whew, okay, we are dripping right now. I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. Wow, look at my curls. Outside of my curls looking so good, my hair just feels very soft. Just feels so soft. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just quite literally obsessed. It is 1:07 p.m. I can put these products in my hair within the next 10-15 minutes. So again, right now I only have leave-in conditioner in my hair. So this is the Poppin' Jelly. And I apply that. Just gonna rake that in. Oh my God, this looks so good. Yeah. Clerkin'. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. Oh, I love when the curls are doing what the curl's supposed to do. We'll put some on the roots like this, and then we'll bring it down. I'm so happy right now because my hair is looking so good. I love when I make the right decision because I really was not sure if I wanted to do this today. You know, sometimes you don't want to do your hair on the day that you got somewhere to be because you just don't know how it's finna turn out. And from the look of things, I think we gonna have a good hair day today. And for that, I am very happy. I'm so happy. Go like this. Yeah. I normally add a mousse, but I don't think I'm gonna add a mousse today. This mic that I've had on me this whole time, I thought it was on, but it wasn't on. So we're gonna have some really crappy audio, but now it's on. The perfectionist in me is tempted to be like, ugh, to be disappointed. At this point, I just feel like perfectionism just gets in the way of my greatness. So I'm just gonna let it do what it do. Like no audio, no great audio. We just gonna have to work with what I got. You know, we'll do better next time. Next time we'll do mic check, mic test, you know? Right now we're not a production company yet. Maybe we will become one in the future. You never know. So right now, you're gonna have to get what I give. All right? Let's coil this a bit. Oh, I love, look at this, look at this. I mean, this is gonna dry to perfection. Ooh. This is the last one. This is the part where I'm just really trying to get the coils to really coil. I'm just kind of like scrunching it, trying to form the curls really well before I even get to drying. So I do this for a few minutes. Okay, this is scalp wipes. I have literally never used anything like this before. It's by Cream of Nature, but I feel like this would be good for the front, the braids part. Can like get in between my scalp. I can also get some of the whites on the braids. Trying to refresh the braids a little bit. I think this is genius, especially for the girls that be working out. The biggest thing is like trying to keep my hair fresh. But we're at the point where I'm gonna take these braids down next week anyway, so it's really about more so keeping my scalp fresh. So we're gonna do like this. Okay, I think this probably is dealt with any like buildup or anything. I'm gonna just use this anti-humidity gloss and shine mist. Heat protection. I love this color, it's so vibrant. We're gonna diffuse this hair with my pattern blow dryer. So I'm lifting up while I dry so that the insides can also get dry. One thing about me, I'm gonna try and manipulate day 1 hair to look like day 3 hair because that's where the whimsy happens, that's where the magic happens. So we're still not done drying. I do love what I'm seeing. The curls look really good. I'm gonna use a little bit of this hair oil. Just to bring some shine back into. I can already tell the difference between these two sides. This side had a little bit more water, like I added some more water in the product, and this side was like mainly more of the gel. And I feel like this has more volume. I feel like I like this side better because it's giving me that like day 3 type of vibe that I go for on day 1. I would say that my hair is like 95% dry right now, and I would just let the other 5% air dry. But you guys, I quite literally revamped this style for another week. It looks so good, it looks fresh. I'm loving it, but I'll show you when I get dressed to leave the house how I rock it.